Chapter 6 Drawing with Pen Tool. Johnny, hey Naina, it was so exciting to learn about computers. Any idea what can we do it with now? Naina, I know of something called Tux Paint. We can use it to make a nice drawing. Johnny, great. Drawing on a computer will be fun. Let's use Tux Paint. Introduction to Tux Paint. Drawing is a wonderful activity. It lets you to be creative. You can draw your superheroes, your family, your house and even yourself. There are some great ways to draw on a computer. Tux Paint is one such drawing software for children and it is easy to use. With the help of Tux, the penguin, you can make many drawings. Tux helps you at every step. It also tells you what to do next. Tux Paint has many amazing features. It is free software and you can use it on any computer. It has many drawing tools such as brushes, shapes and colors. It has sound effects and hints from Tux to make drawings easy and fun. Opening a Tux Paint. To open Tux Paint, click on the Start. Select all programs in the figure 2. Click Tux Paint in the list. Click Tux Paint full screen to open it in a full screen mode. Tux Paint windowed option opens Tux Paint in a small window mode. When you open Tux Paint windowed, you can use other programs on your computer. However, in the Tux Paint full screen mode, you cannot do that. To use the computer, you have to close Tux Paint. If you are opening Tux Paint for the first time, give it a minute. You will see a bar scrolling below the loading screen while it opens. When Tux Paint opens, you see a new window like this. It has tools on the left side and brushes on the right. You can see all the colors at the bottom. Getting friendly with Tux Paint. When you select your tool, brush or color, Tux Paint plays a sound. It has lots of fun. Now let's explore the Tux Paint window. Toolbar. Toolbar has drawing tools such as paint, stamp, lines, eraser and shapes. It also has options such as save, new, print and quit. Toolbar is the left pane of the window. Drawing canvas. The drawing canvas is a blank area in the center of the create drawing. Selector. The selector pane has different types and sizes of brushes for tools such as paints, lines and shapes. It is on the right side of the canvas, figure 8. Colors. The color palette is on the lower part of the Tux Paint window. All the colors together are called as the colors palette. Help area. In the help area, Tux gives suggestion, information and guidance about the selected tools. It is at the bottom of the Tux Paint window. Using the paint tool. Let's use the paint tool to make a drawing. The paint tools is used to draw freehand using a brush and a color. To draw using a paint tool, select the paint tool from the toolbar pane. The mouse pointer changes into a brush. Choose the third brush from the selector pane. Bring the mouse to the drawing canvas. Keep the left mouse button pressed and drag it to make a big circle. Release the mouse button when it's done. Make two eyes with a thick round brush. Use the third brush and make a straight line as the nose. Use the second brush and draw a smiley. Great, you have a smiley face now. You're making eyes, adding the nose, adding the smiley. Fun with paint tool. You can also give colors to your drawings and have fun with it. Let's see how it can be done. Changing brush color, open Tux Paint, select the paint tool. Choose the first brush size from the selector pane. The color of the brush is black. Choose the yellow color from the colors palette. Making colorful cheeks. You have changed the brush color to yellow. Now let's make colorful baby cheeks. To do this, bring the mouse to the drawing canvas. Keep the left mouse button pressed. Drag the mouse to make the head, the tail and the body of the chicken. Draw the wings. Select the orange color from the colors palette. Draw the beak and legs. Select the black color from the colors palette. Choose the first brush size from the selector pane to make the eye. Repeat the above steps and make another baby cheek. Completing the skinner. Now let's see the scenery. To do this, change the brush color to brown. Draw the ground and the tree trunk. Make the leaves of the tree, flowers, sun and flying birds to complete the scenery. Saving images. When you finish your drawing, you can always save it. The save button lets you to save any drawing so that you can open it later any point of time. This helps to continue coloring it or add objects to the drawing. To save a file, select the save button in the toolbar. The message appears at the bottom of the window. Message saved. Closing TuxPaint. To close TuxPaint, select the quit button in the tools bar. A dialog box appears. Click yes, I am done. This closes the window. Make sure you save your drawings before closing the TuxPaint window. If you don't save your drawing and try to close TuxPaint, it will ask you to save the drawing first and then quit. Tech terms. TuxPaint. It is a drawing software for children and it is easy to use. Toolbar. It has drawing tools such as paint, stamp, lines, eraser and shapes. Toolbar also has options such as save, new, print and quit. Drawing canvas. It has a blank area in the center to create drawings. Selector. It has different types and sizes of brush for tools such as paint, lines and shapes. Colors. The color palette is on the lowest part of the TuxPaint window. Help area. It shows Tux giving suggestions, information and guidance about the selected tools. Paint tool. It is used to draw freehand using a brush and a color. Save. The save button lets you save any drawing so that you can open it later any point of time. Notepad. Skills achieved. Create a new drawing. Changing colors. Saving the picture. Quitting TuxPaint. Concepts learned. TuxPaint is the drawing software for children. The paint tool is used for freehand drawing. The color and size of the brush can be changed. You can save a drawing using the save button in the toolbar. You can close TuxPaint using the quit button in the toolbar pane. Workout. Multiple choice question. To open TuxPaint, click the start button. The blank area in the center to create drawings is called the drawing canvas. Which of these has different tools and is the left pane of the TuxPaint window? It is the toolbar. Which tool is used for freehand drawing? It is paint. To close TuxPaint, you need to click quit. Say true or false. The save button in the toolbar is used to save the drawing, which is true. The help area provides information and guidance, that is true. The selected pane is placed at the bottom of the TuxPaint window, which is false. The quit button in the toolbar pane is used to close the TuxPaint, that is true. You cannot change the size of the brushes, which is false. Lab questions. Draw a flower using different colors and brushes, size. Draw a picture of duck walking near a pond. Here, this completes the chapter.